Dreamy Dinosaurs, a soothing bedtime story. Once upon a time, in a land filled with lush green forests and winding rivers, there lived 5 special dinosaurs. Their names were Kreethvik the T-Rex, Alyssa the Triceratops, Henna the Brontosaurus, Heihei the Stegosaurus, and Sisi the Velociraptor. Each of them had unique features and personalities, but they were all the best of friends. The sunset begins. As the sun began to set, casting a warm orange glow over the landscape, the dinosaurs started to feel sleepy. The air was filled with the sweet scent of blooming flowers and the gentle chirping of birds. It was time for them to say goodnight to the world and drift off to dreamland. Kreethvik, the mighty T-Rex, stretched his powerful legs and let out a soft roar. He loved to dance under the stars, but tonight he was feeling extra sleepy. Alyssa, with her beautiful frill and 3 horns, smiled gently as she watched her friends prepare for bed. Henna, the long-necked Brontosaurus, munched on some leaves from the tallest trees. She loved to eat before bed, and the leaves tasted especially delicious in the evening. Heihei, the Stegosaurus, with his row of plates on his back, yawned and snuggled into his cozy nest of leaves. Sisi, the quick and agile Velociraptor, was the last to settle down. She loved to explore and play, but even she couldn't resist the call of sleep. As she curled up, her sharp eyes closed, and she let out a soft sigh. The journey to dreamland. As the dinosaurs drifted off to sleep, they began to dream of magical adventures. In their dreams, they traveled to a land filled with sparkling rivers and towering mountains. Kreethvik imagined himself flying through the sky, his powerful legs transformed into wings. Alyssa dreamed of discovering hidden gardens filled with the most vibrant flowers she had ever seen. Henna envisioned herself swimming in a vast ocean, her long neck allowing her to dive deep into the water. Heihei pictured himself on a quest to find the most colorful rocks in the land, which he could use to decorate his home. Sisi dreamed of racing through the forest, her speed and agility allowing her to catch the fastest butterflies. The moon rises. As the moon rose high in the sky, casting a silver glow over the land, the dinosaurs' dreams became even more vivid. They imagined themselves working together, using their unique skills to build a magnificent city. Kreethvik used his strength to move heavy stones, Alyssa used her frill to guide the construction, Henna used her long neck to reach high places, Heihei used his plates to protect the city from harm, and Sisi used her speed to deliver important messages. Together, they built a city that was both strong and beautiful, filled with gardens, rivers, and towering spires. As they worked, they sang a gentle song, their voices blending together in perfect harmony. The stars twinkle. As the night deepened, the stars began to twinkle in the sky. The dinosaurs' dreams became even more peaceful, filled with images of friendship and love. They imagined themselves sitting together around a campfire, watching the stars and sharing stories of their adventures. Kreethvik told tales of his bravery, Alyssa shared stories of her kindness, Henna spoke of her wisdom, Heihei talked about his creativity, and Sisi shared stories of her quick thinking. As they spoke, their voices grew softer, and their eyelids grew heavier. Good night, dinosaurs. As the first light of dawn began to creep over the horizon, the dinosaurs slowly woke up. They stretched, yawned, and smiled at each other. Another peaceful night had passed, filled with wonderful dreams and the warmth of friendship. "Good night, dear friends," whispered Krithvik, his voice barely audible. "Good night, Krithvik," replied Alyssa, her voice equally soft. "Good night, everyone," said Henna, her long neck bobbing gently. "Sleep tight," murmured Hehe, his plates glinting in the moonlight. "Sweet dreams," whispered Cece, her sharp eyes sparkling with sleepiness. And with that, the 5 dinosaurs snuggled into their nests, ready to face another day filled with adventure and friendship. As they drifted off to sleep once more, the world around them grew quiet, filled with the promise of peaceful dreams and happy tomorrows.